How to set up direct deposit on Brigit app. In order to set up a direct deposit with a Brigit app, you need to first of all link your primary checking account. So to begin with, install Brigit app and sign up and link your main checking account as well. So once you're logged into your account, you then need to verify the income. That means Brigit's algorithm analyzes your linked account to confirm a recurring deposit from a single source. And on the home screen, you just want to look for these Your Finance and select Next Deposit Date or tap the profile icon in the top right to find account settings. After which, you want to navigate to where you can add a deposit or change direct deposit section. And if your employer is listed, you could search for them and follow the prompt to confirm a paycheck distribution as well. If your employer isn't found, you'll use your bank's routing and account number to manually input the details into the app. You could then go ahead and read the terms and save to link your payroll to Brigit for features like instant cash advance or credit building as well. And that's when you're going to set up direct deposit on Brigit app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.